Greetings, fellows. I'm JC here to teach you how to display text on a web page by using HTML. Without further ado, let's begin with the p tag. Using the p tag is incredibly easy. You simply wrap your text content with the opening and closing p tags, like this. It's that simple. Next, we have the h1 tag. It is used to define the main heading of a web page. It's the highest level of heading tag and is typically used for the main title or heading of a page. You have the following example here. You can also use other heading tags like h2, h3, and so on for different levels of headings, with h1 being the highest and h6 being the lowest. The list item tag is used to define a single item in a list. It's commonly used in conjunction with the ul unordered list or ol ordered list tags to create lists in HTML. We will get into that as well as into how you can further customize text with CSS in other videos though, so stay tuned. Properly using the list item tag is essential for creating well-structured and organized lists in your web pages, making the content more accessible and user-friendly. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more coding tips, and stay curious. This is JC, signing off.